Class 7th, subject maths, and as you know, our topic is lines and angles. Lines and angles. चूँकि अत मज पान related angles, तथ मज पर complementary angles, as per supplementary angles, as per अत मज adjacent angles. Now आज 4 type of angle parun. Those we call as linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. तो वो linear pair of angles क्या गई चूँकि रात पूरा about adjacent angles उन तो हमें रात कि adjacent angles क्या गई so adjacent angles गई तुम जो angle यमन आख vertex common आइस आख arm तो common आइस like this say angle AOB and angle BOC. These are adjacent angles because they are having one vertex common, which a common vertex, a common arm, like OB. And two non-common arms, they are on the opposite side of common arm. So, adjacent angle, non-common arms, common arm, again, back. Linear pair क्या गो what is linear pair of angles linear pair क्या गो linear pair गो अगर तुम adjacent angle आसन कि यह non common arms when non common arms form a straight line याद form a straight line गो तुम adjacent angle यहाँ non common arm आसन बनावा a straight line. तुम गए linear pair of angles. तुम बनावा linear pair like this. वुचो तुम draw करते straight line. Say इस करो a straight line draw मानो AB ठीक है आस पर कर ब्याक line a खड़ा like this line OC. वही बने इस बेस adjacent angle. आग बने angle AOC. Bag when I was angle BOC. So firstly adjacent angle. One of is कि the angle adjacent angle. Magar yum as non-common arms OB to OA. Non-common arms. OC as common arm. OB and OB yum non-common arms banawa straight line. Like in this figure. We can see in this figure. Non-common arm OA and OB, they form a straight line. So such pair of angles is also called, they form a linear pair of angles. Which बनावा आख linear pair. Adjacent शुम ऐस्ती, मगर adjacent के साथ साथ ये एक linear pair बनाते हैं. Which one is linear pair of angles? These two angles, these such type of angles. So we can write here when the non-common arms of two adjacent angles form a straight line. Such pair of angles form a linear pair of angles. Which one is linear pair of angles? ठीक है? या effort हो तो शुद्ध ब्याख क्वेश्चन पढ़ तो याद था when there is a straight line अगर इस कुछ जगह straight line है कहाँ straight line है ठीक? after इस ब्याख line खड़ा like this. So अगर कुछ जगह straight line है a straight line पे इस ब्याख एक line खड़ा आइटम ज angle बनन क्या च adjacent angles आसन सद क्या बनावन linear pair. This is called a linear pair. These two angles are called to form a linear pair of angles. तो याद तो ये ठीक है. हाँ बेच ब्याक चीज मुझे ब्याक अक प्रॉपर्टी आसा linear pair. क्योंकि अश पता है स्ट्रेट लाइन पे सोरी एंगल आसान टोटल एंगल 180 डिग्री ठीक. सो अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन आसान स्ट्रेट लाइन अत पे ब्याक लाइन खड़ा अतम एडजेसेंट एंगल बनन अत linear pair बन. The sum of the two angles of a linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. You must remember it. वजह था ये linear pair आसन कुन तुझा ऐस linear pair of angles ओन sum च आसान 180 degree. Clear? इथे पर पको इस ब्याक type of angle च आस पूछूं. The fifth type of angles related angles, those we called as vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. What's the vertically opposite angles? Kar ch bana kya ch asan. Wuchu tu whenever two lines intersect. Us agar z line asan intersecting lines like this. Kunti jay. Yel z line intersect karach. Ekis point spot. Say point O. Say this is line AB, this is line CD, and they intersect at O. If it how yaad is, yet z intersecting lines asan. तुम आसन करा एकस point spot intersect. उससे अदकस angle बने total. अद बने 4 angle like this angle BOC, angle AOC, suppose angle 2, angle AOD, thous now suppose angle 3, angle BOD, mano this is angle 4. So we see, अगर याद तो था वही तो इसको शायद ये थी ये तो z line intersect कर कुंती जाए whenever two lines intersect how many angles are formed there 4 angles are formed there. Now out of these 4 angles अगर इसको group करो we see angle 1 and angle 2 they are adjacent ठीक है वही पूरा यहाँ हम बनावा चल linear pair थी. Angle 1 and angle 4 adjacent angles. Ekis angles is which to you can't arc angle almost or almost. Ekis angles asan hor z adjacent angle. Angle 1 agar nimu at 2 to 4 adjacent. Angle 2 is nimunis. Angle 2 is kuch adjacent. Angle 1 and angle 3. है ना? अच्छा angle 3 is kuch adjacent. Angle 4 angle 2. Angle 4 is kuch adjacent. Angle 3, angle 4. So, plus kun ekis angle is hor z angle adjacent. Yel zan z straight line intersect karan ekis point spot. Us wucha ach ek plus kun ekis angle is z angle adjacent. Suppose agar is angle 1 bond be accurate. Angle is angle 1 nimun. Angle 1 is kus adjacent. 2 and 4. Chals adjacent. We see angle 3 as root. अगर angle 1 is बात करो angle 1 is 2 to 4 adjacent. You see 3 is opposite at like this. It is called a vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 to angle 1 vertically opposite angle. Similarly, अगर angle 2 is बात करो 1 to 3 is adjacent, 2 is opposite, vertically opposite. This is called vertically opposite. This is the pair of vertically opposite angle. अच्छा angle 3 is to angle 1 vertically opposite angle. Angle 4 is to angle 2 vertically opposite angle. ठीक है? वो सुनो suppose one the be accurate अगर lines as intersect करें एक point spot you see angle to this angle you go at adjacent you go as vertically opposite angle opposite crosses. अगर निम एंगल बात करो एक निम एंगल बात करो एक निम एंगल सपोज you go at adjacent you go at vertically opposite angle. So अच्छ बनाते z pair z जोर बना च vertically opposite angle. So ये z line कर intersect you go at arc pair vertically opposite angle you go as arc pair vertically opposite angle. And there is a theorem in geometry is a vertically opposite angle asa they are always equal. बराबर आसा ठीक है. So हेचु तुम वुनस आज कि लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल क्या गो अत क्या प्रॉपर्टी दोन एंगल सम 180 डिग्री नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स दे ऑलवेज फॉर्म ए स्ट्रेट लाइन तो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल क्या गई वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल गई ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पान इंटरसेक्ट कर अतम 4 एंगल बनान प्रत कुन अकिस एंगलस एडजेसेंट अपोजिट and it is called vertically opposite angle and there are 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles and these angles are always equal vertically opposite angle हमेशा बराबर आसान तो इसके बाद इंशाल्लाह हम कल एक्सरसाइज 5.1 वो हम कल स्टार्ट करेंगे खुदा हाफिज।